Hello, good morning again. Good morning, my favorite boys and girls. Good morning, my parents. And welcome again to one of my lessons. And yesterday I told you that we are going to learn about the two consonants or the two letters that come together but does not make any sound that represent the letters. They make totally different sounds. And that's how complicated English language can be sometimes. And that I think that's why children find it so hard to read and pronounce words. So we're going to find out what those mysterious letters are. Now, a consonant digraph, those are two consonants or two letters joined together, but they do not make the sound that represents the letters. They make a totally different sound, but it's one sound that they make. So let's just dive into the lessons. Now, these letters, they are called Consonant Digraph. Consonant Digraph. Now, I have a story to tell you about these consonants. Well, it's not my story, I saw it on YouTube, but I put my twist to it. Now, once upon a time, there was Mr. H. Now, Mr. H had 4 friends. The first friend was Miss S. Now, S and H, they love to read. So they always go to the library. So whenever they go to the library, they always have to be quiet. So the only sound that you hear the S and H says is shh. And that is the sound for S. And now let's think of some words that says shh when we call them. Shop, shut, shirt. So those words have SH digraph. And here we have some of them here. And we're going to pronounce them. Remember S and H says shh. Shut, up, up, shop, elf, elf, shelf, ip, ship. And I have shop 2 times, but it's okay. So remember, S and H, S and H, shh, 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 shh. Quiet, please, shh, 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 shh. So, going back to the story. Now, Mr. H has another friend. Now, this friend is Miss C. Now, C and H loves to play in the rain. They love playing, and because they played so much in the rain, they caught a cold. Yeah, when you play in the rain, you caught cold. And because of that, the only sound that they make is choo, choo, choo. So the sound for C and H is choo, choo, choo. And here are some words that C and H make. So remember the sound ch, 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 up, chop, ch, chip, ch, chase, church. And church has 2 CHs. So the sound for C and H is ch. So remember I said that the H had 4 friends and we did 2 already. Now, this is another friend that the H had, W. Now, this is a story about Dublin Age. Now, Dublin Age, they are good friends. Yes, they're still good friends. But guess what? Whenever you see Dublin H walking together, it's just the W talks. W always talk. Whoa, 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 whoa. And W does not allow H to talk. So I don't know how come they're still best friends, but they're still friends. But it's just the W that talks. Whoa, whoa. So here are some words that the W and H are in. And remember, in the W H words, only the W talks, even though the W and the H are together. Wo, at, what, wo, and, when, wo, air, where, woo. But guess what? You see in this word, woo? I don't know what happened, but the W gave H a chance to talk in this word. Yeah, so you say who, who. So it's only in this word you will hear the H talking. But in the other WH's word, it's just W. Because W is always talking. Woo, woo, woo. What? Now the next friend that H has or had, because I heard that these two are not friends anymore. Yes, I heard that something happened and they're not friends anymore even though they're together. Because when they're together, all they do is stick their tongues at each other and say, and that's the sound you'll hear from them. Now here are the words that T and H makes, at least some of the words. Now, we in Jamaica have a problem with these words because we do not practice T and H sound. So remember, alright, try to get this picture in your head. They're sticking their tongues at each other and saying, and that's the sound for T and H. The, that, them, them, then. Now we always say D and that, and we put a D in it, and that gets us confused when we're reading. But it's the T and the H, they're together and they're saying. Okay, so now here they are together, all of them, and these are just some words. There are lots. Now remember T and H, they stick their tongue at each other and say. And double and H, only the W talks and say whoa, whoa, whoa. S and H, they're always quiet. They say shh. And C and H, they have a cold, so they say ch, ch, ch. And there are the words. The, that, them, when, what, which, ought, if, up, and you can say the rest. C and H says ch. Now it's reading time. So we're going to read these sentences with some of the digraphs that we have just learned. Because after we have learned the words, that is why it is very important that your children learned a lot of words, so whenever they see it in a sentence, it's easier for them to read, and thus you're building their fluency. So let's read. I chop, and remember T and H says f. They eat. E and A are vowels working together. The E talks and the A is silent. Eat. I chop. They eat. we learn about am family, am, and we learn about the at family too. I've done lessons with those. At, see the next there, the, shop, the, ship, is, big sound. At, what is this. So that's how you read by sound. And after reading by... Now that is my lesson on consonant digraphs. There are other digraphs like vowels digraph, which I will do another day. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope this has been helpful to you, to your children, and those who are just learning to read. Remember, I'm Auntie Karine. Please subscribe to me on YouTube. Thank you very much for all the subscription. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'm also on Facebook. So for now, bye.